Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can save Snapchat story in gallery. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. So for this video, I'm going to create a story. Okay, and the first step you can do is to click on the save button in the left bottom corner to save story before posting. So it is saved in gallery. So I'm going to show you how you can save story in gallery after posting. So click on next, and I'm going to post it to my story. So let me send. So it is added into my story. So then you need to click on your profile icon in the top left and scroll down, and here you can see my story. Click on that option and click on three bars or three dots in the top right, and here you have the option of save. Click on that option, and once you click on that, you can easily save that story into your gallery. So this is our process by which you can save Snapchat story into your gallery. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.